how I cultivate my plantain. As you can see, I have quite a number of them here, and this one is big and these ones are very high, big, tall, and about to fruit. And that's a young one coming up here. So I'm going to show you how to properly cultivate plantain. Step 1. Let's prepare where we want to plant the plantain. Right here is a good spot. Right here is a good spot. So we're going to dig, we're going to mark, because I really want them to be in a straight line coming from that side. 1, 2, then number 3 here. So we're going to dig and create the spot for the plantain sapling here. Alright, so let's do that right now. So after digging the hole, this is about 9 inches deep and 4 inches wide. So I got this, I'm going to add some organic manure to it. I got this from my bird house right over there. So I got this organic manure from my bird house. I'm just going to add it into the hole. Just a little bit of it into the hole, and add some dirt. Add some dirt over it. Okay, so now we are ready to get the plantain shoot, the sapling, to use to plant in this space. Let's go get it. We're taking sapling from here. As you can see, this has quite a number of saplings. This one, here's another one, and another one coming up from the ground, and another one here. And this is the parent plant, really big and healthy. So I'm just going to take this one, and we're going to take it to where we want to plant it, to start its own journey. Okay, so let's just dig it out. So now I've been able to dig up this one from the parent's plant, and most importantly is that it has its root right here. This is one of the roots, and here is another root. So with these two roots we are good. Now I'm just gonna put it into the hole which we have prepared like this. Okay, so then cover it with some dirt. Cover it with some dirt, then channel our water so our water can come into it. There's the water coming, so we're just gonna open up this place. Just gonna open up this place so water can come in. There we have it. Yeah. So water is coming in to it. Yeah, so water is coming into it from my irrigation tunnel straight to this place. I'm gonna let it saturate it for a while before we add more dirt. Okay, so we can now add more dirt. And now add more dirt to it. Yeah. we're going to leave this channel, so when the water, anytime I put on the water, it will get here. The water is going to flow. It's going to flow right into this spot and keep this plant constantly wet with water and keep this plant having water. So we're just going to make sure this place is open for the water to come in while we cover every other part with dirt. Yeah, so that's it. The next 6 to 7, 8 months, this will be producing fruit for us to eat. Thank you very much. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe. Same time next week, I have more videos coming up. Okay, until I see you then, let's have fun, let's learn, and let's be on this great adventure. Peace.